Today, I'm showing how to set up upsells inside bundle bars that force your customers to buy more and raise your average order value immediately. First, head over to the Shopify App Store or grab the link in the description and install the Kaching Bundles app. Once you're in, click Create Bundle Deal. Select your discount type. We're going with Classic Quantity Breaks. Choose where you want your bundles to appear, then customize your bundle deals. We have a separate video covering this full setup if you need more detail. Once your bundles are ready, head over to one of your deal bars. Right there, you'll see Add Upsell. Click that. Now you can either select a product by hand, or if you've already set up complementary products in Shopify, you can just use that. I want a specific product, so I'll go with the selected product option. From here, you can adjust the price, add custom text if you want, edit the image, and then you can set it to selected by default, visible only when the bar is selected, or enabled for subscription customers. After setting everything up, hit publish. Bundle upsells are one of the simplest AOV wins on Shopify. But if you want to upsell a product as a separate checkbox, watch this next.